Most people don't lose money because they're careless. They lose money because they follow advice that sounds smart, but quietly keeps them stuck. Today, I want to talk about financial advice you should stop following if you want real progress. Advice 1. Just work hard and save money. Hard work matters, saving matters, but hard work plus saving alone is not a financial plan. If saving was enough, inflation wouldn't exist. Saving protects money. It does not grow it. This advice made sense decades ago. In 2026, it's incomplete and dangerous. Advice 2. Avoid all debt at any cost. Not all debt is bad. Bad debt buys things that lose value. Smart debt builds skills, businesses, or income. Avoiding all debt often keeps people small. Understanding debt is smarter than fearing it. Advice 3. Follow what everyone else is doing. When everyone buys, people feel safe. When everyone avoids risk, people feel smart. But money doesn't reward comfort. It rewards independent thinking. Most financial mistakes happen because people copy others, not because they calculated for themselves. Advice 4. There's one perfect investment. People look for shortcuts. One stock, one crypto, one secret formula. Real wealth is boring. It's built through consistency, patience, and systems. If something sounds easy, it's usually expensive later. Most advice isn't wrong, it's incomplete. And incomplete advice, followed for years, creates average results. If this video made you think differently about money, take a second to like the video. It helps more people see it. And if you want honest, practical money content like this, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments, what money topic should I break down next? Your suggestion might be the next video.